as Masicka. And you never just take on Tommy Lee, you take on the whole of girls. And people might say you take on Cartel too.
Cartel, I support Leroy. So no man, from you support Leroy, that means you know, me have to go at everybody.
Yes.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
A few moments later.
That Masicka too bad. And Vice Cartel fear him. And because the crown is up for grabs, Masicka is one of those person. Him and Alkaline who is likely to grab the crown.
Jesus, please. It's like, no man.
TikTok, make we be real with ourselves now. The anticipation for Masicka Forever Reign album.
A few moments later.
Me I go show no corruption work. Masicka album I go release the 14th. Right?
2,000 years later.
Yo, me don't know if me alone this, you know, but Masicka album are the 14th. And right now, it come like say, boy, a couple, just 3 days. And it come like in near I get to the 14th, and the more me can't wait. Masicka, we couldn't just move the album to like the 12th or something.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People who are going, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah man, you know anything set. So people, you remember the video, yeah? If you look on the picture, remember the video when Alkaline had him album rollout. Seen? And he might do some, you don't know, he might use the mic, you see me, and do a little, I think him do it with Keyman, and him do it with No Emotions. You understand? You don't know a thing where it's an album rollout, where you don't know, you get have the mic. Same like what you seen at the picture. But people, no man, Masicka dog. Bro, this expose me, G. Masicka drop 438. Me never see Masicka do that rollout yet. And him do GOK, him never do this. Seen? But look at now, people. Look at now. No Masicka rollout. Yeah, man. Me not lie still. Me realize say you watch the thing and I do the thing. Nothing wrong still, but yeah, learn. Me see say you watch Alkaline and him album roll out them and everything. We see what I go on, man. Because remember, you never do this for GOK, you know. You understand? And you never do this for 438. Me not see no clippings when you do it. So, I think the song you might do for spend money. You understand? Over YouTube there. You see it. But, boy, Masicka, Chaja youth. That's why Alkaline say when you do interview, them are watching, you know. Youth, you know, easy, brother. You watch everything with Alka do and just do it. But nothing wrong still. You know, you learn. You see me? Yeah, man. For real. So, people, Masicka rolled out to the album. Man, I say, yo, see, Alka do this, you know. It's so funny, say, he might do this with Alkaline, though. And the man I do the Barclays Center with the same album release. Remember, you know, people, remember, say, Masicka always drop him album them the last of the year, you know, around birthday time, you know. And it's so funny, say, the man I do the same album rollout to Alkaline, though. Imagine, people. Jano, dog. Masicka, Jano, youth. We catch you with that one, dog. We catch you with that one, but you don't know, we're not to beat youths. You see me? Go and do your thing. Yeah, future same way. Yo, when me see visualize, how you name? Or visualize or something like that. Yo, people. Yo, me laugh when me see man do it in the people. Yeah, man, the man do the same thing with Alcado, bro. Jaja youth. You see me? But people, you see Masicka roll out, you know. In an interview there. You see me? All angles, you don't know what today, you know, people. At today it a drop about, I think at 8 something. Yeah, 8:30 so. In the night. You see me? But make you hear what Masicka say.
Ilagol is an important part of Jamaican culture when music is concerned. But for my generation, we make no harm.
We have a special one-on-one with Javon Ferron, who you probably know better as Masicka. And you never just take on Tommy Lee, you take on the whole of girls. And people might say you take on Cartel too.
Cartel, I support Leroy. So no man, from you support Leroy, that means you know, me have to go at everybody.
Yes, people.
You know why funniest thing? Man, if I support Leroy, you have to go at everybody. Boy, Masicka, I don't know any of that cause you sang them at first, you never did really go off a cartel like that, bro, until the man them pressure you, my G. You understand? But you do your thing, brother. Although would you want your kill, Nyamili, you understand? But you run, bro, and gone over one next part system and all of them little thing them, my G. But people, boy, may I tell you, wait till this interview a job, cause me know say Gaza not go like this, you know. The Gaza not go like that interview, yeah. You see me? But he might do him thing. It's a good album roll up. You see me? Have your name in a conversation. The main name going to the album and the Barclays Center. So he might do him thing. You understand, people?
That's
Yeah, man.
Masicka. He's going to be on a very special edition of All Angles this Wednesday, August 12th, 8:30 p.m. and streaming on onespotmedia.com.
Yeah, man. So people, you don't know Alkaline album, you know. A streaming at Jamaica. Bomba. So you tell me say Alkaline album alone will drop this year. They in the top 10. Where we can say, yo, one of the man them we name a call. Jaja Youth. How we got on time there? That gone, brother. NPT I do it. You see it? So that one here US now. You don't know Alkaline the number 3. You see me in the US right now. 3. Look at man night top 3, dog. God on time the number 5. Alkaline do it without no collaboration. The youth are go and see Popcorn, fix tape. Bro, the album is not normal, dog. I tell you already, no joke thing, you know. You see me? Yeah, man.
TikTok, me ask for no help. No help me out here, so. Cause me really have to try solve that puzzle here. Then, if Vibes Cartel will say out of film one mouth, say Masicka the baddest thing in a dancehall, and that him a come run dancehall, then, after Vibes Cartel come out of prison, all of a sudden, Masicka no bad again, and Masicka now go run dancehall again, and all of a sudden, Vibes Cartel bad mind Masicka, and the Gaza bad mind Masicka, and the whole of them want to see Masicka fail.
Because them can't control him. You understand? Them can't control him again. I just saw you go and see him like Alkaline, you know. Alkaline never fought in the Gaza or nowhere. But through him not about to cartel, I just saw the same thing.
Then, is it that Masicka too bad? And Vibes Cartel fear him, and because the crown is up for grabs, Masicka is one of those person, him and Alkaline, who is likely to grab the crown. Then, but also too, then Vibes Cartel not eat Alkaline from Alkaline bust, and Alkaline no do Vibes Cartel nothing. Then, Vibes Cartel no want Alkaline give him praise where him no deserve, and true Alkaline no give me, him eat Alkaline. But Vibes Cartel say Alkaline a living nice style. But me never see Vibes Cartel tattoo him eyeball them yet. Or put in no contact lens.
And that me I say, you see me? I just that are the youth success them want, you know. And that are the problem. You see anybody where them feel like say, yo, I do it out there, them want compare Cartel with them. You understand? Because I saw them want type of try drain them energy. You see me? You notice most of the dancehall artists them about to Cartel already. Them not in the conversation. You know, they say them get blackball, them get overshadowed. The only two man we are talk about after Cartel right now are Masicka and Alkaline. Because them two man there I do them own a thing now. You understand? Them I do them own a thing. Alkaline been a do it. Masicka the over the Gaza thing. And him kind of maybe realize say, yo, some styling thing or whatsoever. And him say, yo, look here. Remember it usually be Gaza genocide, you know. And then him change it to one side, you know. So him want split him brand from a long time. You see me? It's just that everything just exposed now.
So really and truly, why Vibes Cartel eat Masicka and Alkaline so much?
You see one thing in a life when people can't control you know, they might fight against you. Remember that.
TikTok.
Yeah, man. I tell the people. So it go when people can't control you, just one of them things there, man. Is it? Yeah, man.
The anticipation for Masicka Forever Rain album, right? The anticipation now. Everybody in a dancehall want to hear what Masicka album is about. Everybody in a dancehall want to see what Masicka go come with. What is the album really compact with? Let me ask you the question. Was this anticipation there for the album which was dropped called God and Time? by them king of dancehall. And me have to say by them king of dancehall because that king of dancehall is Ungo the king for Gaza. Is Ungo the king for Scatterburrell. Is Ungo the king for Joe Bogdanovich. How can you have a king of dancehall with the youths them a dancehall don't rate none tall?
Well, the youth them not take program, you know. The goddamn time, brother, just the goddamn time song alone out of the album there, you know. You understand? It not even in the Jamaican market, much less. You see it? So, I don't want an album where people kind of meds at Jamaica like that. You see it? You know what it's in a year, nobody too talk about it. You see it? Yeah, man, it not really have that strength there. Yeah. It go on with its streams based on the collaboration with Skid. But after that, nothing else. The goddamn time song a good song, cause you don't know anything God in it good. You see it?
And the first king of dancehall, me must say, when the youth them in a dancehall don't rate. That must be painful as hell, man. That means you're not really king then. The people them not give you kingship of dancehall, and your friend them give it. Scatterburrell and Joe Bogdanovich them give it because, see them now, them give it just for you come perform at them show. That's why the youth them don't acknowledge no king of dancehall or nothing like that. You ever hear no youth talk about big up no king of dancehall and who is king of dancehall? None of them. A whole of them say them a go for the crown because the crown no depend nobody head. The crown is there for the taking. You don't realize everybody a go for the crown.
Well, I know Alkaline no want a crown, you know. I remember say nothing forward and say, yo, I last king this in a dancehall, which is Vice Cartel. So, I guess them have dancehall in them palm or in a one box so them can lock up and them alone have a key.
Who don't realize? Because the crown upon nobody head. There is no acknowledgement or any king of dancehall right now. Come like on the blind. And one thing me know. This album that Masicka is coming with, it better be good. Because the anticipation around Masicka album, I don't think I've ever seen this anticipation around an album in a dancehall. God and time release what year, and basically nobody nothing when members say it a release. When it drop and see there, when it drop and people start talking about it. Why, Masicka? When this album drop on the 14th, look on ticket sale on the 14th of August to the 15th on the day of the show. You know watch what I want? Me go show no corruption work. Masicka album I go release the 14th. Right? And Masicka having big show the 15th. Me want to look who I go try release at least 2 songs between the release of Masicka album to Masicka show. To try and take attention of a Masicka album and Masicka show. But it now go work. We see right tune already. You know what you know? Because there will have to be some deflection of Masicka success, you know, with the album, and there will have to be some deflection of the attention from Masicka album. Because right now the momentum is high when it comes to Masicka album. Nobody no business about nothing else what really are going right now in a dancehall or nothing. The little album will drop one year when you got on time. Nobody no remember that. You know,
And that's the thing, but the worst thing is that, you know, Alkaline album, they have the energy there. And now Masicka album, but Cartel one, nah, because Cartel been a drop bagga album and them like something. You understand? Nothing never really did it. That's why, you know, nobody really actually talk about it like that. You see me? Because nothing really did it for even talk about. You see me?
I send them a play. Hold on. Anybody getting the song them from God and time a play? When? Where? Which part? That deflection and not gonna work. Right now the anticipation is up there. The Masicka album. We did tell you no, bad mind, corruption, wall down. I don't see how we no go stop Masicka. God go we don't know. People, remember, the Barclays Center now go normal for the 15th. Hold on, you don't believe me? You never have to buy no ticket yet. Wait till the album drop on the 14th and then everybody start running the whole place with them ticket. Remember me tell you no. Yo, me don't never me alone this, you know, but Masicka album on the 14th. Alright now, it come like say boy, a couple, just 3 days. And it come like near I get to the 14th, and the more me can't wait. Masicka, I'm gonna just move the album to like the 12th or something.
Yo, J Progress a truly Gaza, you freak. You know dog. Yo, man, I rage bait you freak dog. I tell you, Jaja, I know Gaza worst nightmare.
You can't just brush off 2D and push the album to the 12th. You can't talk to your manager. Masicka. Right now, me not like them. Me not like them teaser business that we come out and them. Me see the intro preview of Masicka album. Brother, we not do them something, brother. Because I look at me see you go drop the one there with Damian Marley and then you go drop this pen and brother, we no keep. Right now, we no move the album 2 more day, man, down to the 12 or something, man. Right now.
Yeah, bro. When me hear this, me don't know that. The man them should have drop out some pre-link and them look at thing there already, brother. You understand? Yeah, make the album, make people them see the track list and everything, bro. You see me? They don't know if we do anything. They might try.
Oh, brother, right now, me boy from here wait for the album still, you know. It come like it's a genius marketing strategy this because me never see album brother, me feel like the album should have moved down to the 12 or something. The album, the weight I get too tormenting. Yo, me know say Gaza fans gonna want to push back the album to all next year, but God go with them. Imagine the Gaza ship sink already under the bottom of the ocean. When the album drop, the Gaza are gonna wipe off of the planet. Masicka, boy, oh boy. You think they hate you yet? Masicka, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, Masicka? You think they hate you yet? When this album a drop, man go find somewhere and kill them or kill them, Masicka. Take it from J Progress. When this album a drop, Masicka, them the way them are gonna hate you worse, they want to kill you. Anyway, still, if you don't have a chance, talk to your manager and see if they can move the album to the 12. Thank you very much.
No. But we see one Kevin run out, you know, people. Make we hear what I say, no?
DJ Milan, it look like saying you don't understand what going on out here. Me hear one video where you said the other is a camp, them a crab in a barrel. The other is a camp, them a crab in a barrel. CJ Milan, did you know, say, when Vice Cartel did in a Barclays Center, and we sell out Barclays Center 2 times, all after that, the Crooks and the Data Fund, them a say, we can't do it again.
But you can't do it again, me G, based on the price, them. You can't do it with the same price and the same back-to-back, me G. You not understand, you know, that with only, you know, bro. You see me? Supply and demand, me G. So I never lie we are talking about. You see me? Make Vice Cartel go to Barclays Center again with the same price they have, and you see what happen. Because we don't realize, we don't only talk about the back-to-back. Remember, I have a third show and the ticket them have to drop from 1,000 to 250. You understand? Yeah.
Let's move on. Did you know so when Alkaline did in there, and Alkaline take long for sell ticket, did you know so the Crooks them come out, which is Masicka, came out and said, Deep Blue Sea.
But Gaza said too. Same with the Gaza. You understand the Crooks and the Gaza. Because nothing wrong with the tribalism and just the entertainment in a dancehall. That's how it go. And not really personal. Everybody would worry them and forward out and Ray. Everybody pull up ticket, everybody do everything. It's just a part of the game. You understand the competition, the trolling, that's how it go.
So crab in a barrel? You know what you say? You don't know nothing about what going on with CJ Milan. So let me update you. Masicka people them did I say Alkaline couldn't sell ticket. So Alkaline people them know I say Masicka can't sell ticket. Because Masicka right now.
So we might try doing it. You might try make it be a vendetta and a Masicka thing. Vendetta and Crooks thing when Gaza one of the top people them were tear down every day. So he might try exclude the Gaza thing when remember him there at him tear down Alkaline show, Crooks show, see him there all tear down all the promoter. So who know the problem? You see me?
Go against everybody. Everybody I go against him now. A film time. CJ Milan, that beating that shouldn't have nothing to do with you, but you put yourself in the middle of war. You put yourself in the middle of war. That's why you get this. Because you shouldn't have nothing at all. If you say about this, we are blaggers. And blaggers do what blaggers do. Yeah, come talk about we are crabbing a barrel. The rest of camp, them are crabbing a barrel. And we need...
Brother, the woman never said that, bro. You see that youth, yeah? A BLI tell pan human, no youth. BLI tell pan human.
Need to come together to make dancehall work. Dancehall now work. Dancehall now work. It now go work for Masicka. Me don't care if Masicka fail. Me don't care if Masicka win. Me just not support him. Me have my team when me support. And that a Gaza. Over lately, we realize that you and Alkaline are good. From the bomber clad show in Miami, where you go cancel. Remember you come out and you say, family, when a family emergency must be death in a family. So you cancel that show there. But you never did cancel Spice them show. But then we see you turn around and cancel Spice show too.
You know, say a madman. Yeah, man, that the Spice show, they my first show get cancelled, me G. You see me? Yeah, man.
See? Because ticket not sell. Ticket never sell for none I show them. So you have to cancel all of them. You ain't no cancel 3 show. Back to back. Never know.
You the bad mind talk now, you know, because a Vice Cartel alone for sell out arena and get arena. Yeah, man, here and now.
Good. CJ Milan, a cartel make you look good. Right now you're over here, so y'all attack. And you say 60% of your ticket have been sold. If people don't know about your shows, 60% of your ticket normally sold on the last day. Oh, that's on. Oh, me not hear you mention a Vice Cartel who sell ticket. Now you never feel wait upon the end of the day to sell ticket. You sold out your concert on the day of pushing your flyers out. No. Your ticket, the day when you posted ticket was on sale. Wasn't that the day we sold out? That's why you know say you didn't need a second day for cartel. Come on, CJ Milan. You discartel them. And it show evidently say you discartel them. You now mention cartel in a no. A 3 show you mention, you know. You don't mention the first show, no. The Vice Cartel who put you on top, you know. Who make people know you, know. Me don't care what go on with your cartel. You have to mention cartel. You don't mention cartel in a no at all. We see.
Yo, the man are real fish in a real life, you know. This come like, you look at the man want to replace them to rotted. So the man will cuss CJ Milan for call cartel name. I saw you, it's like you're different. Yo, me tell you, know. You see that youth, yeah? Trust me. It look like theme type of, what you call it, genes or something, like some feminine hormones or something him have. Yeah, man, very emotional.
We don't fit talk. And you a blood clot crab in a barrel, CJ Milan. You a crab in a barrel. You want to come talk. You never know how we are the fans. You never know how we do the support. You never know how we buy ticket. And we buy ticket, lady. Fuck you talk about. One time you talk about Bounty Killer show. The first show you should talk about is Cartel show. Cartel show sold out before the fucking day of the party. People that's struggling for finding ticket. People was reselling ticket at Barclays Center. Cartel show sold out so much that ticket went up to $5,000. Allow me to tell. We sell ticket orders of the $5,000, $3,000, $2,000. Allow me to tell. Which other artists you have going to Barclays Center? Whenever drop them price, beside Cartel. Cartel alone, not dropping price. Bounty dropping price. Alkaline dropping price. And Masicka dropping price. Me not sure that Bounty downsize, but
Alkaline never drop no price, me G. What you talk about? Alkaline never drop no price. You can't compare Cartel price with the other artists them when Cartel is on the demand, the higher demand, me G. Like Cartel just a come from prison, dog, and just a go US after 20 years. So what you expect? That don't make no sense. Yeah, Bounty there, yes, but people that fly come to Jamaica from the US to see Bounty Killer. People that fly from UK, people that fly from Canada. Bounty a perform Canada. Bounty a perform UK. Them don't see him already. Them never see Vice Cartel. So that are the difference. So any amount of ticket price, people are going to pay for see Cartel because them never yet, some of them not even yet see it for perform. So it's a difference.
It can be that Bounty downsize. Me know Alkaline downsize and Masicka downsize. Cartel did need more space. So what not talk about? CJ Milan, you are the crab in a barrel. You need to fucking know, say, when you see people out your word, you have to mind your fucking business. When them man they come talk about where Corona go and Corona put out. When them man they talk about our artists and a good artist. When them man they talk about all kind of shit about cartel. You not different cartel. So come here, come different in a blood clot body. Cause you not.
Yo, people, look at the man lean up and sit down in a car, man, like a... Yo, man come like a girl in a car, different her, man. Yo, dog, at this world going to, brother. Yo, me I tell you, dog, Jaja youth.
I sell ticket. You say if you want a blogger, you should go get a blogger for black film. We now buy no ticket, CJ Milan. Besides that, you owe me your money for the promotion. You owe me your money for the promotion. Because the little ticket that I sell right now are because of me. Hurry up with me $10,000.
A madman that in a people. Something wrong with him, you know. But it's so funny, people. It's so funny that Vice Cart, yo, that's it. Sometimes I don't understand, you know. It's so funny that he might diss up CJ Milan and Vice Cartel. You see me? And Vice Cartel endorse him. So like I post him up on TikTok and yo, Jano, rough people. Yeah, tell you. Vice Cartel post up Kevin. After what? That's why people them did that prayer say, yo, Cartel move away, car. If you see me? If you see what I go on, and you know say yo, you and CJ good or whatsoever, so, and you see what I go on, but you still do the same thing. You see me? So, well, them a do them thing, you know, bro. You see me? That's all I have to say to people. Big up on yourself. You don't know one media facts. You see it? A mad thing, man. That is it.